Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Wealth Wizard. Ever dreamed of running your own business but don't have the funds to stock inventory? Well, guess what? You don't need it. Welcome to the world of dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without ever holding any inventory. Sounds amazing, right? Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a niche. Pick a product category you're passionate about. It could be anything from tech gadgets to fitness gear. Step 2. Find a supplier. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu to find reliable suppliers. Ensure they have good reviews and a track record of timely deliveries. Step 3. Set up your store. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. It's super easy and doesn't require any coding skills. Step 4. List your products. Import products from your supplier directly into your store. Customize the product descriptions and images to make them unique and appealing. Step 5. Use social media, Google Ads, and influencer partnerships to drive traffic to your store. The more people visit, the higher your chances of making sales. Step 6. Manage orders. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from your supplier, and they ship it directly to the customer. You keep the profit margin. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. With dropshipping, you can start a business with minimal upfront costs and scale it as you grow. But remember, success doesn't come overnight. Stay committed, keep learning, and keep improving. So, are you ready to start your dropshipping journey? Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.